Hi everyone, welcome back to the HTML tutorial training. So this is the day 3. We are talking about the HTML. Today we'll talk about heading and list. So let's get started. So heading is used for to heading something in a text. Okay. So heading totally 6 heading is available from in the HTML from H1 to the H6. Okay. So let's quickly type one by one and see the difference between heading 1 and heading 6. So I am typing H1 and type hello. Let's save that. You can see this heading is showing in a bigger format, right? So I'll do the copy and paste till H6 and then I'll tell you the difference between heading. So now you can see that I just copy and paste all this hello text with H1 to the H6. Okay. So all heading, all the types of heading is already created. Now you can see the difference between H1 to the H6. So whenever you type the H1, the heading will be much bigger and much bolder. Okay. And whenever you type the H6, it is much smaller and bold is there, but it's not that much bold. Okay. So H1 is used. H1 is the one element that is used to write the heading like a paragraph. We did that here the paragraph, right? So like a paragraph, we use the heading for put the header purpose. It will be always in bold until unless you overwrite, and then these have H1 to the H6. So now we'll talk about the two types of list mainly, and there is another one. So totally basically we'll talk about the three list types of element. So first we'll talk about order list, unordered list. Another is the description list. Okay, so we'll talk one by one. So order list means what? Order list means that whenever you put something like I need a car, house, mobile, laptop, these will be is a order list. If you put the order list, there will be a number 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is order list. If you don't put the order list, it will be there will be some dotted. Okay, so let's type that one. So to do the order list, you need to put the OL, and OL means the order list, and then inside that you need to type the list. Okay, so I'll put that the LI component, and here I'll put the house, and I'll quickly put all those list one by one. So I just typed the order list right now here, and then you can see that OL is means order list, and then here I put the 4 list of item. Okay, list of item is one is the house, car, laptop, and mobile. 4 item I have put that. So let's save that. Once I save that, you can see that the list of item have some ordering like a number 1, 2, 3, 4. That's that we call the order list. So you can see that it's an order list. Okay. So similarly, you can do the unordered list. So that for that, what you have to do, you need to do the same item that only that instead of OL, you need to type the UL. So UL means that unordered list. So now you can see that if I scroll down, there is a house, car, laptop, mobile. These have some ordering 1, 2, 3, 4, and these house, car, laptop, mobile that doesn't have any order. It's just have dotted. Okay, so that is the difference between order list and unordered list. So using this order list and unordered list, most of the people build the navbar or menus using the more CSS and all those stuff. We'll do that later. Next, we'll talk about the description list. So for description list, we have to type the DL. DL is the description list. Under that, we have to type DT. And then inside the DT, we will put the coffee. So let's save that and scroll down. You can see the copy is showing, but it's a description. So there is no dot, no number. Okay. Now under this DT, you can put the DD. So I'll put the DD here and then I'll put that milk. And once I save that, you can see there is a gap, like a tab. We put a tab. I can remove this one. So you can see that it's a tab. Okay. So the order list, unordered list and the description list have a, this is the difference. One is the have some number, another is the dotted, and another is the description. And you can put the tabs if you want. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll talk in the next video session how we can improve our web page.